In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 best online businesses that you can start in 2022. Hey there, and in this video, I'm going to show you the 5 best online businesses that you can start in 2022. Now, these businesses are not just any old businesses. They are businesses that have been tried and tested and have a high chance of success. So whether you're looking for a new business to start or are just curious, make sure to stick around until the end of this video because you're about to learn a lot. Before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. 1. E-commerce. The trend of online shopping is gradually gaining popularity all over the world. A recent study shows that by the year 2022, e-commerce will account for 22% of the global retail market. There are many reasons for this growing trend. First of all, online shopping is convenient. Customers can shop from the comfort of their own homes and have their purchases delivered right to their doorstep. Secondly, it is easy to compare prices and find good deals online. With a few clicks of the mouse, shoppers can find the lowest price for a product. Finally, online retailers often offer a wider selection of products than brick-and-mortar stores. Whether you are looking for rare items or everyday necessities, there is a good chance you will be able to find them online. With its many advantages, it is no wonder that e-commerce is one of the most popular businesses in the world. 2. Social media marketing. In a world that is increasingly reliant on the internet, it is no surprise that social media marketing has become one of the most effective tools for businesses of all sizes. By creating and maintaining a presence on popular platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, businesses can reach a wide audience with very little effort. What's more, social media marketing is relatively inexpensive, making it an attractive option for small businesses and startups. In addition, social media platforms are constantly evolving, which means that there are always new opportunities for businesses to reach their target audiences. For all these reasons, it is safe to say that social media marketing will continue to be a powerful force in the business world for years to come. 3. Online education. In the era of technology, more and more people are getting their education online. While some may be skeptical of this type of learning, there are actually many advantages to getting an education online. For one, online courses are often more affordable than traditional courses. In addition, online courses offer flexibility and convenience that can be a godsend for busy adults. Perhaps most importantly, online courses provide access to a world of knowledge that would otherwise be unavailable. The demand for mobile apps is only going to continue to grow as more and more people use smartphones and other mobile devices. And with the global pandemic continuing to restrict travel and in-person interactions, many businesses are turning to mobile apps as a way to reach and engage their customers. If you have an idea for a mobile app, now is the time to start developing it. With the right planning and execution, your app could be a major success. 4. Streaming services. Entertainment is one of the most popular industries in the world, and streaming services have become increasingly popular in recent years. According to a report by Deloitte, global spending on streaming services is expected to reach $159 billion by 2022. This growth is being driven by a number of factors, including the increasing availability of high-speed internet connections and the growing popularity of mobile devices. In addition, the rise of social media has made it easier for people to discover new content and share it with their friends. As a result, streaming services are well positioned to continue their rapid growth in the coming years. 5. Mobile app development. Mobile app development is one of the best online businesses to start in 2022. By 2025, mobile apps are projected to generate around $189 billion in revenue worldwide. The demand for mobile apps is only going to continue to grow as more and more people use smartphones and other mobile devices. And with the global pandemic continuing to restrict travel and in-person interactions, many businesses are turning to mobile apps as a way to reach and engage their customers. If you have an idea for a mobile app, now is the time to start developing it. With the right planning and execution, your app could be a major success. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.